Hey everybody, Mungo Darkmatter here, and it is snowing outside today, and it is cold. Man, it's cold. Kind of nice though, or kind of pretty, depending on the way you look at it. I've been out here too long. The snow's beginning to stick to me. Wow. All right. Pretty cool. Wonder what if I can just pan around here. Look at this snow. That's what it looks like out here in the middle of the woods on a snowy day. Anyway, I just thought I'd come out here, take some pictures, check it out. I think I've had about enough of it. It's kind of cold out here. It's supposed to turn to freezing rain later today. Take a look at the creek here. Yep, that's the creek. Here it is again. Maybe a better view. I hope I don't drop my smartphone into the drink, as they say. With the smallest amount of luck, I will be able to get back out of here and back home, but I can't make any guarantees because it's coming down fast. It's supposed to be coming down about an inch an hour, and I may have been out there an hour, even though they kind of cleared off this little access road and parking lot and stuff. It's been 30 minutes an hour, maybe. I don't know how long it's been, but it's coming down fast. It's pretty brutal. It's pretty brutal out there. Well, I made it back home. No thanks to the weather or myself. I've just lucked out. The roads are pretty bad. This was a type of snowstorm. It's kind of late in the season, really. It's February. Usually doesn't snow past February. Sometimes it snows a little at the beginning of March here, but usually not. And this is the type of snow and the type of forecast where they're saying it's supposed to warm up, but it's 28 degrees right now, which doesn't bode very well for their forecast, because it's supposed to change to sleet and freezing rain, which it can do if it warms up above, but it means it's going to freeze down here because it's 28. Not a good thing. Everything's closed down, which is a wise idea, which is the only reason I could get around it all. If this was a day where everything was open, there would be gridlock and accidents beyond all comprehension, because when it gets like this, a few cars can get around, but not a lot. There's snow plows out there, and the thing is, what is the thing? The thing is people are trying to go around them, and they're just getting into their way, and they just have no idea how to drive in the snow around here. It's just, I don't even know what to say it is. It's a mess. That's what it is. It's a mess out there. But anyway, I think I'm going to go back inside in a little bit. I finish off my cup of coffee here, which is the only reason I went out. My addiction to caffeine drove me to go out here. Plus, I wanted to take a few pictures and and film a little vlog here, just for the heck of it. A vlog about really nothing. It's snowing. That's all that's going on here right at the moment. I'm Mungo Darkmatter, and this has been Dark Matters. And whatever you do, enjoy the day. Try to stay warm, particularly if you're in the snow. Drive safely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.